Angkatan Bersenjata Federasi Rusia memperbarui informasi operasi militer khusus di Ukraina, Kamis 26 Mei. Juru bicara militer Rusia Mayor Jenderal Igor Konashenkov mengatakan unit operasional taktis dan penerbangan militer menghantam 49 area konsentrasi prajurit dan peralatan militer Angkatan Bersenjata Ukraina. 2 kru mortir, serta 1 depot senjata dan amunisi rudal dan artileri dihancurkan. Serangan tersebut mengakibatkan eliminasi lebih dari 350 nasionalis dan hingga 96 kendaraan lapis baja dan bermotor, kata Maj-Gen Igor dikutip Tribun Timur. Secara total, 179 pesawat Ukraina dan 127 helikopter, 1019 kendaraan udara tak berawak, 323 sistem rudal anti-pesawat, 3.266 tank dan kendaraan tempur lapis baja lainnya, 433 sistem peluncuran roket ganda, 1.682 artileri dan mortir lapangan, serta 3.190 unit khusus kendaraan militer dihancurkan selama operasi.
The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation in Ukraine. High-precision air-based missiles have hit 48 areas of Ukrainian manpower and military equipment concentration. 2 artillery batteries and 2 ammunition depots near Nikolaevka and Berestovoye in Donetsk People's Republic during the day. 1 Ukrainian electronic reconnaissance center near Dniprovskaya, Nikolaev region, has been destroyed, including 11 servicemen from the combat unit, as well as 15 foreign engineer and specialists who arrived with security guards. In addition, 1 OSA AKM anti-aircraft missile system launcher has been destroyed near Nikolaevka and Donetsk People's Republic, and 1 radar of the Ukrainian S-300 anti-aircraft missile system near Chuguyev in Kharkov region. Operational, tactical and army aviation have hit 49 areas of Ukrainian manpower and military equipment concentration, 2 motor crews, as well as 1 depot of missile and artillery weapons and ammunition. The attacks have resulted in the elimination of more than 350 nationalists and up to 96 armored and motor vehicles. Russian air defense means have shot down 1 Ukrainian Mi-24 helicopter over Gusarovka, Kharkov region, 1 Ukrainian Air Force military transport aircraft delivering ammunition and weapons has been also shot down in mid-air near Krumidovka, Odessa region. In addition, 13 Ukrainian unmanned aerial vehicles have been shot down near Zelony Gai in Kherson region, Bolshie and Malye Prokhody, Gavrilovka, Veselaya in Kharkov region, and Epifanovka and Kirovsk in Lugansk People's Republic, including 2 Soviet-made Tu-143 race jets near Milovatka in Lugansk People's Republic. Missile troops and artillery have hit 62 command posts, 407 areas of Ukrainian manpower and military equipment concentration, 47 artillery and mortar units at firing positions, as well as 3 ammunition depots. Units and military equipment of the Ukrainian Armed Forces 10th Mountain Assault Brigade, which arrived to reinforce the Ukrainian grouping in Donbass, have been destroyed during unloading near Pokrovsk railway station in Donetsk People's Republic. In total, 179 Ukrainian airplanes and 127 helicopters, 1,019 unmanned aerial vehicles, 323 anti-aircraft missile systems, 3,266 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 433 multiple launch rocket systems, 1,682 field artillery and motors, as well as 3,190 units of special military vehicles were destroyed during the operation.
Terima kasih sudah nonton. Jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya.